Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so hello everyone. On this occasion, I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to connect PC into a router. Okay, so this is gonna be a simple video, a simple tutorial, but let me show you guys. So the goals of this video is to connect this virtual PC to this virtual router. Okay, so first thing first, how do we add a router? So it's actually pretty simple. You just gotta add an object and then click node, then search for Mikrotik router OS, and then here's the thing. You gotta delete this and replace it with the space and then save it. Okay, here you go, you got the router, and then we're gonna add virtual PC. So go to nodes again, and then get virtual PC, and then put it beside the router or below the router, but I'm just gonna put it below it, I mean beside it. Okay, so wait a minute, it's still loading, and here's the PC. So as you can see, when you hover your cursor into the router, there's like cable, so you can drag it to the PC and later a pop-up will pop. Okay, so the interface for Mikrotik, I'll use Ether 1, and for PC Ether 0 is the default. Okay, so we're just gonna save it, and okay, it's still loading. Okay, so we're gonna block this too. Right click it and then start selected. Hopefully the router will be started, but if it's not starting, you just gotta right click it and then edit the router, and then remove this one again. Okay, then we're just gonna save it. So it's actually a really simple bug fixing method to fix the router if it's not starting. Okay, we're just gonna start it again to try if it's working. And why doesn't it show up? Okay, so as you can see, it's working. So now we're gonna open the Mikrotik Mikrotik router OS. So we're just gonna double click it, and then it'll connect to the IP. And in here, we're gonna wait for the OS to respond to us. Okay, sometimes it's lagging. So later we will add the router an IP, and for the PC also an IP, so that they can ping each other. So the goal in this video to ping each other. Okay, so wait, it is still loading. So later, if you know the basics of this, you'll be able to make this kind of topology where the router is connected to another router and virtual PCs, and it is also connected to the internet. Okay, so maybe I'll pause the video since it's lagging. Okay guys, here is it. So all you gotta do is just refresh the topology and it'll connect. Okay, so for the login, it is admin, and for the password, you're just gonna leave it blank. Okay, so we're just gonna press no, and here's the another bug. So it'll only show one column, so you're just gonna close it and then open it again for the Mikrotik. Okay, now we have the access. So now I'm gonna create an IP. So all you gotta type is IP address print first. So there's nothing, so we're gonna make an IP for the router. IP address address 100 dot 100.100.1. Okay, here's the address. Oops, I'm sorry. Yeah, so the interface, we're gonna choose ether1 since the connected is ether1, and then we're gonna print it. So boom, there's one network. Okay, so now we will go to the VPC. Okay, so the next step is we will make an IP for the VPC. Okay, so double click on the VPC, and you can show IP here and see it's 0 0 0 0 0. So now you just gotta click IP, and then for the IP is 100, 100, and here's 2, and then we will search the slash 32 subnet mask. How much is it? I forgot. Oh, it's 255. A lot. Okay, so okay, here is it. Here it is, and then for the gateway, it is gonna be this thing. Okay, so now we will show IP again. Okay, now we will try to ping the router IP. Okay, still timeout. It's fine. So now we will remove the IP, but we will replace it with this IP. Okay, now we'll show IP again. Okay, so now maybe the problem is in here. So we're gonna edit this 0, and then the value name is address. Then we'll change the 32 to be 24. Okay, then control O, and then print, and now we will try to ping it. Okay, there you go. It has successfully pinged. Okay, so I think maybe that's all. I'm so sorry if I have any mistakes. The last I say is wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.